She said, take your time, it's the rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said, take your time, it's the rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog.
Hey y'all, we are in the nail salon and y'all already know what time it is. This is the Italy vlog. I just pray for a really nice trip, just relaxing, beautiful, and you know, safe travels. But yeah, I'm getting my feet done right now. I got my paraffin on the feet. If you're not getting paraffin, then I know what you're doing. Recently, I've been bringing my own nail polish to the nail salon. This is the Beatles gel polish. I have like a ton of them, but I'm gonna do my nails later on today. Finished Once Upon a Time. I gotta do like 6 more videos I need to edit so that I don't have to worry about posting while I'm overseas. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I want to show y'all my dresses, which I will show y'all as I pack. I was gonna do a whole haul, but I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, I will see y'all on the next little activity I guess Poppy has planned for me today. What you gonna sit in here with me? Oh, alright y'all, that massage was everything. Shout out to Poppy because y'all, oh, I felt so good. She was cracking my back. I was not expecting that, okay? But really nice, really nice. All right, y'all, so I am heading to ULTA. I need to exchange this Donic hair and deodorant. Let me just tell you, I don't know who said this deodorant smelled good, because let me just say, it does not smell good. I don't like the way it smells. It stinks. And honestly, I'm like, I think this is like $20 something, $16, I don't know, but I'm like, I can exchange it and get something else. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna exchange it and get something else. Okay, so I see this deodorant right here. Okay, or some lashes. We're gonna see. I'm like, I thought I needed a new lip liner, but you know what? I'm like, I got 2 in the house. I probably don't need another lip liner. No, thank you. We have primer, we have eyebrow, we have eyelashes. We have pretty much everything. So yeah, let's go exchange this. See if they can look it up, see if we can get it exchanged, because yeah, that listen y'all, that deodorant was never gonna work for me. I should have brought my phone because I don't have my card. But it's cool. Okay y'all, so it actually worked. Did not like that fragrance at all, so we did a quick little exchange, and that deodorant was $30. I said, why was I buying $30 deodorant? So I got the Rio Dio by Sol de Janeiro. I seen that on TikTok, like people were saying like just get that one. And then I got some Ardell lashes because your girl is running out of lashes and I needed some for the trip. So you know, so far so good. Good morning. It is the morning of Italy, you all. So I have a lot of packing. I am inching by inch. It's literally 5:30 a.m. I've been up since about 4 o'clock. So I did all my laundry, did the dishes, like literally I'm inching to make sure I don't forget anything. But let me show y'all the outfits. So I'm not gonna go through every outfit, but basically I have all my outfits laid out here: jewelry, accessories, shoes, literally down to the pack, undergarments. And then I had to pull out my jewelry box to just make sure I got all the jewelry that I want. Pajamas over here, and then I have my suitcase right here. But I do want to show y'all this thing right here. Okay y'all, so I got this from Amazon. I got a few things as well from Amazon. I think for the most part, like, buying everything for this trip was really like important to make sure I didn't forget anything, to make sure I had everything, so I felt comfortable, so Poppy felt comfortable. Like, I missed nothing, and I'm so proud of myself because through this process I had to make sure that I saved enough money for the trip, but not only just for the trip, but that I wanted to have in my savings account before I went on this trip. It has been a long 4.5 years living in Atlanta, and let me just say that when it comes to saving money, being on your own, responsibilities, it's a lot. So being able to go on this trip is like really, really exciting for me. I've never been to Europe. You know, having the man that I have in my life to have these experiences with is crazy because I don't know, I just never thought I would get to this point. Like, I always dreamed about getting to this point, going on vacations with someone you love, being open and all these things, regardless of the ups and downs. Like, I just think it's just so amazing that we can create this life with each other. So that's just that. But just a few things. Like, I guess I'm gonna show y'all the shoes I got, because I won't go into too much detail about like, I won't go into too much details with like the outfits because you all will see the outfits as the days go on. So I got these Dolce Vita sandals. They're actually pretty comfortable. They are adjustable to lengthwise. I just know with certain shoes they start to spread out, so I think these are going to be really sturdy. Really excited about wearing these because I don't have new sandals, and the sandals I have are looking dusty. I was walking all through New York with those on and they were crusty. Then I got these other Dolce Vita shoes. I love these because they have a nice lace to them. They are very comfortable because they kind of like that flat form-fitting shoe. Definitely giving walkable. I am gonna bring my insoles from my other shoes just in case my feet are uncomfortable. I can put those in these shoes. And then I also got these. Now these are like an oldie but goodie flats in a bag. Like, my feet start hurting, I'm throwing on the flats. But pretty much they're foldable shoes you can put on if you have heels or things like that, so you're not walking around feet burning, uncomfortable. So these are just great to like throw in your purse. They're literally foldable. Love them down. The next shoe I got are these Wild Pair. I believe I got these from Macy's. They were like $30, and they have a nice cushion on the bottom, real nice grip, cushion on the inside, and the heel is not that big. So for me, I'm all about comfort nowadays. Like, I cannot wear a 6-inch heel anymore. I mean, I can still do a 4-inch, okay, but I'm coming down to the 3s and the 2s because at the end of the day, I want to make sure I have my feet, okay? I'm not about to be out there bringing Poppy down because he does not like when my feet hurt. Like, he'd be like, you wore them. So if the feet start hurting, we got the flats in the bag, and again, these will fit right into my purse, so we good to go. And then I got these shoes from Mango. They are very much a kitten heel. Honestly, I personally like these with like shorts and stuff. I had a dress that I want to wear with these, which I am gonna wear with them. I don't care at this point. I'm like, I'm gonna wear what I bought. Like, that's just it. I wore these with a dress before. I don't think I really liked the dress for the shoes originally, but at the end of the day, I bought them. I'm gonna wear them, and that's just that. Like, spent way too much money. Oh, and before I get to the travel pack, I also got these for my boobs. So I got boob tape and boob cups. These are stickable. I wore these to Beyonce. Granted, I was falling underneath, but when you have a little bit of support, it's going to help keep them up. So I am excited about these. And then I have boob tape as well, just in case like these just get a little too sweaty. But boob tape, I literally love all my outfits. Like, I am not working on this trip. I have just time to relax and enjoy myself. So these are just a couple accessories that I got. I also got a fan. I got a new travel pillow. I got new makeup. I got new underwear. It was like Victoria's Secret. I don't know what happened to my birthday discount, but I'm gonna need that. I got new pajamas. Let me show you the pajamas I got from Target. So I got these from Target. These are so cute. On the inside it's like camouflage, so you can flip them over. Then I got this little like sleek bra to go with it. And honestly, I was just like, I just need new clothes. Like I did. I was really saving for Italy. Like I didn't go shopping for summer. Like I did a little bit of here and there, but I did not go shopping for summer. I literally stayed in the house every day of the week. And I also got this outfit from TJ Maxx. And I'm showing you all this outfit because this is my travel outfit. I wanted to wear something comfortable, but also something appropriate in the airport. For me, I'm going to give Italy vibes. We're giving Italy vibes all around. And I got this halter top, so it's going to be really cute. And then I'm going to bring my sweater just so I don't get cold on the plane. And I'm going to bring a blanket on the plane because we're not doing it. Then I might bring a backup pair of sneakers just in case like my feet do hurt from a few days of wearing the other shoes. So I might just bring those other shoes as backup just in case. But I've seen a lot of people wear sandals, so I don't know. In my head, I'm like, don't do it, don't overpack, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna show you all this pack. I did not know it was gonna come with this organizer. It literally like hangs up in the bathroom, so you can put your makeup and everything in it. So I already have one. I'm just kind of debating if I'm gonna bring that one or this one. Granted, this one goes with the suitcase and everything, but space wise is important for me. And I don't know, I did get a lot of mini stuff, so maybe this will fit. Maybe it will fit. But yeah, so it has 3 compartments, a mesh compartment here, see-through compartment here, and then it has this compartment down here, some side pockets, which is great for like your foundation and stuff. So it all came together. Then it comes with this laundry bag. I am just big on just like separating my dirty clothes from my clean clothes. I don't like germs at all. So I'm just like, yeah, I need to make sure that I have a hamper for my dirty clothes. Now I think it's the dirty clothes one or it's the shoes one. I'm not too sure. Okay, so then we get into our cubes. So we have this cube. I think this one is for the shoes. Really cute. One zipper. And like I have a few pairs of shoes, so we'll see how many actually fit in here. And then we have this tiny bag. I'll probably put my accessories in here just because I have it. And then I have the packing cubes. So I will pack like my undergarments and bras and stuff in one, because again, I don't want to intertwine my clean and dirty clothes. And then I might like pack all my bags in one, because the more compact I can get this, the better. My pajamas maybe in one, and then all my outfits. So maybe outfits and pajamas in these two. And then, yeah, that's really much it. So I'm gonna get the packing and hopefully everything fits. So let's see what happens. right, y'all, so we are almost done. We're packed, we're packed, waxed, ready to go. Okay, but yeah, everything is like charging right now. I literally just did an exfoliation. I'm gonna put a mask on. I'm about to do my nails, and like I said, go get my eyebrows done. I have one more video to do for my client, and then that's it. We are on vacation mode. We had some Chick-fil-A for breakfast. Let me show y'all the suitcase. It's all packed, ready to go. I got my outfit that I'm wearing to the airport, and I have my straw bag. Okay, Italy red tea. So yeah, so I'm about to get ready to do my nails, and I'll probably record a little bit of that because I did not show y'all all of the packing. Y'all, the packing took a while, but I personally like to pack like this. It makes me remember what I need to pack and I don't forget anything. But right now I have some ointment on because yesterday we had to go get my ointment, so I'm letting that marinate into my skin before I slather some more on. But yeah, we're just gonna relax right now, do the nails, and get ready for the rest of the vacation. Woo!